Hey, this is Dan Mcgaw with Effin Amazing, and I want to tell you what a UTM is. If you're not familiar with a UTM, all it is a little bit of code you add to the end of your URLs so you can track them when people come back to your website. Now, you're going to see these in your analytics tools, so it's very important to track your UTMs. Now, a UTM is pretty simple. What it does is it basically appends a little bit of code to your links so you can track it. Now, this is going to be based up of 5 different sections. So you're going to have the campaign name, you're going to have the campaign source, campaign medium, term, and then as well as content. Now, a campaign name is very simple, right? This is going to be our Christmas special. Then the campaign source is going to be wherever that link was left. So if it is on Facebook, the source would be Facebook, but if you sent it from email, your source may be MailChimp if MailChimp is your server. Now, as well as I said that you also have the medium. This is going to be how that person got to your site or where that link was located. So for an example, if we were talking about a Facebook post, it would be a post as the medium. But if we were talking about your emails, we of course would say the email would be the medium. And if you're using some sort of advertising, whatever that advertising channel is, such as PPC, maybe AdWords, or even retargeting, that would become the medium as well. Now next, there's the UTM content, which is typically going to track the words that you're using to send people back to your site. So if you're writing a blog post and you talked about how cool Effin Amazing is, and you had a link to Effin Amazing from the word Effin Amazing, you may potentially set the content as Effin Amazing because that was the specific content people clicked on. Now this is taken a step further when you talk about campaign term. Now the term is typically used for PPC, so we're going to track the individual keywords and how they get back to our sites. Now to build this, simply just go online, go to effinamazing.com, click on our resources section, and you'll be able to use our online UTM builder. If you have more questions about how to make a UTM or other examples, just leave us some questions and comments in the section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.